Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install Skype version 8.13 on CentOS 7. As you all know, Skype is a popular software application currently developed by Microsoft that is mainly used for instant messaging and for audio and video calls. Among these functions, Skype also can be used for file sharing, screen sharing, and text and voice messaging. In order to install Skype in your Linux distribution, visit Skype official download page to get the latest version available. Here I am gonna grab a package via wget command. So you can download Skype using this command. Now Skype is getting downloaded. After the download completes, proceed with Skype installation process by opening a console and run the following command with root privileges. Now the installation is complete. After the installation process, start Skype application by navigating to application menu. Go to the internet and here you can see Skype. So click on that. Now the Skype application has been opened. Now you can sign into the Skype using your Microsoft account. As you can see here, you can give your personal details and create an account, and then you can freely communicate with your friends, family and co-workers. I hope this tutorial helps you how to install a Skype on CentOS 7. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.